So I've had a lot of requests to give some dimensions or plans on the greenhouse table that I built here. It was strictly started out as a thought in my brain and is based on 2x4s by 6 feet, or this is a 4x4 by 6 feet. The legs here are actually 4x8 that were cut in half. Then we put the 2x6s on to create a 6-foot space inside. So the depth is 3 feet on this side. So that's why we have the little space here. I tried to do what I could to minimize wood waste. So 3 feet, 6-foot board cut in half. Then on the inside here, on the bottom are 2x4 6-foot boards that are cut 3 feet a piece. So we got our depth. The end pieces were a little bit shorter because we have this part here, which does not have to come up, but I didn't know exactly what kind of a top I was going to put on it. And I originally had a PVC frame that was droopy, the plastic was loose, just didn't go well with me. So then we added these frames, and I'm going to double check here again. And again, 3 feet tall on both ends, 2x4 by 6 foot cut in half, with the same a 6-foot board across the top. These pieces on the side are 16 inches. So that was kind of a random length that I decided on. Wasn't sure how that came about. And it was just started putting pieces together. Put a piece across the back to hold the back taut. I originally had a piece across here while I was trying to figure out the doors, and the plastic was just draped over it. So the doors, 2x4, 6 foot, cut in half lengthwise. Again, cut in half. So I really tried to use very little waste. Same at the top, 2x4 cut lengthwise, front and back. Some braces on there. Now these angles came out pretty good considering they were kind of cut on the fly. And that's about the extent of how it was put down. And once again, the dimensions this direction, 6 foot by 3 foot on the inside. And all these boards, again, they're just in there loose. Once water hits them and they get a little water, they tighten up. The plastic I got online from Amazon. I think it was $60 for a big roll of it. The hinges I just picked up from Home Depot. I did put these on here. This door seemed a little loose with just screws in it, so I ended up putting some brackets on there. The top one, it's pretty good, so I didn't do that with any type of bracing. Added a block, drilled a hole in here, my leftover PVC that holds that up. We have several different heights for when it's sunnier out. When it's hot and rainy, water comes off, plants can still breathe. On the door, I have a latch. Just drilled a hole on this side. Oh, real quick. You can also just open this one up so that it gets fresh air. But still gets the warmth of the sun on it days, and when it's raining, it doesn't rain inside. You've got latches, and it just comes together pretty nicely. These pieces were put on top. I used the 2x6 on the inside and on the side. And these corners, once again, I would probably do a little different in the design, but it was kind of put something in and make a top for it. And down here, this is our water tank. Works off a battery. And artificial rain. That's how we water. Close it back up. The water tank was purchased at Tractor Supply Company. It was on sale for $60. Has worked out really well. You can put pre-mix nutrients in here for your plants. And inside here, I've got two different thermometers. This one here does temperature and humidity and goes directly into a receiver in the house. The one on the right here is Wi-Fi enabled so that I can check it when I'm out of town, out working. I get notifications if it gets too hot, so when it hits 92 degrees, I can come out, open it up, have the wife open it up, family member, so we can keep track and not overeat our plants. Once again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I will get back as fast as I can to any comments. Thank you.